Alright, put on the intake manifold. I have one little problem here that I have to resolve, and that's this one is touching, so I have to make some adjustments right here. Might have to grind this off right here. And everything else. I could lower the manifold maybe about an inch. Maybe an inch and a half. Cut out an inch and a half here and just bring the manifold down, because I'm not going to have the alternator up here. I'm going to move the alternator to the side. So I've got the flange. I just have to weld up the turbo exhaust. And that's that. And got to bolt it down. Got to bolt it down, that's it. And figure out how I'm going to finish up the engine mounts. Got to grind down the oil pan because this thing don't fit. Finish up that engine mount, and then work on something else.